stars in a chain. Crowded streets, people everywhere, energy in the air, can't help but stare. Macau, glowing skies, neon glows and laughter flies. Wander through the night, through the ruin of Palha light. Tall voices echo off the wall. Street food scents in the air. No one really wants to care. Macau, glowing skies, neon glows and laughter flies. Wander through the night, through the ruin of Palha light. Told. Night in Macau so bold. Street vendors in the heat, strolling the ruin of Palha Street. Palha light.
Okay, so this street's called Palha, which is, if I translate Palha, it's like straw, so it has some kind of meaning to, some kind of historical meaning. So we're going to be walking down that way, and just to give you some context of what Palha Street, where we're coming from, St. Paul's Church, or ruins, is all the way up that hill, down that way. I don't know if you can see it through the crowds, but anyways, St. Paul's Church is up the hill, through the crowds. Busy, 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 busy street, Palha Street in Macau. So we're gonna put it up on the map. You can see exactly where we are, and we're not too far from Sonata Square or from Sao Paulo ruins. So that's why all this heavy traffic of lots of people. And we got a nighttime one. It's a little bit, my camera isn't so great when it comes into the nighttime, so there'll be times where you get a little flickering or whatever. But for the most part, you get the feel for this area. So I definitely want to upload it anyways. So anyways, let's put up the music. I created it with AI and then I fed it into another AI program. Let's just get into the walk and talk where I'll narrate through. Okay, Palha Street, Macau. Okay. So that one goes down to the, would be the ocean. That goes up to St. Paul's Church, Sao Paulo ruins. And this one goes down to Sonata Square in São Domingos and the Portuguese consulate, and it's called Palha Street. And it's definitely one of the busiest streets. And luckily it's also a pedestrian street too. So we'll navigate through here. Okay, so let me see. It's so crowded tonight. Try to navigate a little bit to the side. This one goes up into Mont Fortress and some other cool stuff. But we're gonna stay down below because this is all gonna be Palha Street down this way. So let's go down. So that's part of Palha. Down that way. This is this little plaza right here. Then we're going to keep on going down. It's so crowded tonight. So Palha Street's going to end right up here. Got some little alleys. That's a little Beco de Palha alley around Palha Street. And these are all reclaimed land, so at one time there would have been cars that would come up through here, but not anymore. Street. Palha. And this will go down to St. Dominic's. You can see Hotel Central all the way down. That'll go up to the Portuguese bookstore and the Portuguese consulate. And then this will go down to Sao Paulo ruins. So we have several things down this way. Let me just kind of angle this way real quick. There's different ways you can go here. We're going to go back to Palha in a second, but I just want to share with you all the different stuff that's in here. So we have Say, which is a lane, and it goes up to Say Church. So that's up that way. You got the Nike store right here. And you got the Portuguese consulate up that way. Portuguese bookstore as well. And then our street is Palha, which goes up to St. Paul's and Sao Paulo Street, St. Paul's Church. And this one goes down to St. Dominic's Church. So you got St. Dominic, St. Paul, all in this area. Dominic's to the left, and then St. Paul's is to the right. So Palha will take you up to St. Paul's. And we're gonna end it right here.